Follow Gaelic, learn Irish. Ceacht a cúig déag, lesson 15. Misha Gaelar, I am Gaelar. Is Gaelar an Tanyan Brega atá orm. Gaelar is my pseudonym. Agus seo thugad ceacht a cúig déag, and here is lesson 15. Tá súlagam go Daniel sé leat. I hope you enjoy it. The verb on bríthar, ní. Ní means not. Ní causes the first letter of a verb to be aspirated by adding h to the letter and changing its sound. B changes to bh, etc. Ní bhuailm, I don't hit. Ní cuireann tú, you don't put. Ní gunnan sé, he doesn't close. Ní uileann she doesn't return. Ní gilimiid agoni, we don't cry all the time. Ní fógan she doesn't kiss. Ní bháileann siad, you don't praise. Ní shiúlann siad, they do not walk. Ní ágtar é, it is not lifted. Abertí, sentences. Ní creidim é, I don't believe it. Ní asan airgid ar crin, money doesn't grow on trees. Ní mar a híltear a bhítear, things aren't as they seem. Ní hagan ciall ribh ish, sense doesn't come before age. Ní dhéantar saoradh le faineog amháin, one swallow doesn't make a summer. Ní higgin an sock and shang, the plump one doesn't understand the slim one. Ní chaitheann an caint an téadach, talk doesn't wear the clothes. Ní cheilinn meisce ruin, drunkenness hides no secret. Ní annan trá le fear mall, tide waits for no one. Ní tír gan teanga, there is no nation without a language. Ní bhéanann smíonamh ar a tréú, thinking doesn't plough the field. Sin deire le ceacht a cúig déag. That's the end of lesson 15. Slán agus beannacht leat. Goodbye. Phil go luath, come back soon.